Good afternoon, students. Welcome to class 7 chemistry class. Okay. Last video you have learned the change of state. Today I am going to discuss the one that is melting, boiling, condensation, freezing. Okay. And the change of state. Different the types of change of state. First one, the melting. What is melting? Melting means the process in which the solid gas turns converted into liquid state. This is at a fixed temperature. Temperature is very much important. This process by which the solid gas turns converted into liquid state is called melting. And melting is the fixed temperature. And this fixed temperature at which the solid gas converted into liquid is called melting point. Then what is melting? Melting actually solid to liquid. Solid to liquid. This solid state to liquid state. This is melting. Very much. Actually, this all definition is most important. One activity given in your book to solve the melting of butter is a reversible physical change. Reversible physical change. Okay. Butter. Take some butter in a vessel and heat in a Bunsen butter. Take some butter and the Bunsen heated, and you will observe that butter started melting and taste the melted butter. You will notice that there is no change in state. When you started to melting butter and you taste it, the butter, actually no change in taste. And so the no new substance is formed. This is the meaning that this is no new substances is formed. Okay. And now let the melted butter cool. After some time the butter solidifies and regain its original state. When it is solidified, when it is cooled, regain is solidified. That's meaning is this is the reversible change. Actually, this is physical change. Okay, one activity given in your book, including the melting, the process of melting. But if the butter is heated on a high temperature, very high temperature, if the butter, it will form the clarified butter or ghee. This is actually the irreversible. Okay, it's form a new substance. This is the ghee or clarifier, but the butter they heated in a very high temperature. Actually, this temperature when your butter heated not almost or very high, so in normal. This is actually this temperature minimum temperature. Okay, this is the physical change. But if the butter you heat in a very high temperature, it will form the formation of clarified butter or ghee, which is the irreversible change. Irreversible change is the melting. Melting means solid state to liquid state. Okay. The next one, boiling. Second one, boiling. Boiling. Boiling, the process of the conversion of liquid into vapor. Liquid to vapor means this is at a fixed temperature. It is called boiling. The temperature at which the liquid changes into vapor is called a boiling point. The first, the boiling. Boiling means the liquid, the temperature, the process by which the liquid is converted into a vapor state. It is called boiling. At a fixed temperature, this process is called boiling, and this fixed temperature at which the liquid changes into vapor, this temperature is called a boiling point. Means boiling means liquid to vapor. Okay, this hope is clear and very much important, melting and boiling. Third one, is condensation. Condensation means the process in which the substance changes state from gas to liquid. It is at a fixed temperature. It is called condensation. The process of gas to the process in which the gas is converted, gas state is converted into liquid state. This process is called conversion. This process is called condensation. Okay, this process is called condensation. This is the gas to liquid, but mind it's a fixed temperature. Temperature very much important. This process is called condensation. When the process in which the gas state is converted into liquid state, this has a fixed temperature. This process is called condensation. And this fixed temperature in which the gas converted into liquid, this temperature is called condensation point. Condensation point. Okay. Then first this melting, second one boiling, third one condensation. Melting means liquid, solid to liquid. Okay. Boiling means liquid to vapor stage. And condensation means this is the gas to liquid. This is the condensation. And one activity given in your book, this is the to show that condensation is physical change. To show that condensation is physical change. Take some water in vessel and heat it boils and evaporates to become steam. Okay, condensation means this is from the gas to liquid. Take some water in vessel. Okay, take some water in vessels or bowls and heat it boils and evaporates to become steam and to evaporates. Now hold a stainless steel plate with the help of pair of tongue against the steam. Okay, you hold it and then the steam. You will observe few water droplets in the steel plate. Few water droplets. You can see here in your home also. Every day we can see. Okay, and the water droplets show the condensation of steam. Means steam converted gas converted into liquid state. This steam is converted into liquid. Since no new substance is formed, condensation is physical change. Actually, this is the condensation. First, take a water and heated it and is boiled and to form a steam. Then the steam is converted into a liquid state. Means gas is converted into liquid. Actually, this condensation is a physical change. This condensation is physical change. No new substances is formed. Okay. Then next video I will discuss the freezing and the next one sublimation, freezing and sublimation. Okay, learn at your home. If any doubt, you can ask in table. Okay, thank you.